Alright, well guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook up a mean steamed vegetable. It's simple and it's easy, so let's get cooking. The season that I'm going to be using into this dish is very simple. Black pepper, a pinch of salt, some chopped garlic, and my salt-free dressing. You could buy any salt-free dressing you want. This is the one that I have, and this is what I'm going to be using for this. Is add some oil. You could add again whatever oil you need. I'm just going to add just a little bit to it. Alright, here I have some chopped onions. I'm going to add that in. Some green sweet pepper. I have some chopped buttersquash, celery. I'm not going to be adding the other veggies yet because I want this vegetable to cook first. So we'll add the carrots and the broccoli and the cabbage later on. Okay, so I'm going to add a little garlic. Then I'm just going to mix that in. Okay, so let's season those veggies up. A little bit of black pepper. I'll add a pinch of my salt-free seasoning and a dash of salt. Just a little bit. And just work that in. This is going to be cooking for about, I'll say 5 to 10 minutes. I don't want it to get overly soft because I want to cook the cabbage along with it. So when it's halfway done, I'll come back and I'll add the rest of the vegetables to it, and then I'll show you guys the finishing touch. The veggies have been cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes and it's halfway cooked. That's the way I want it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my cabbage that's been nicely chopped. So we add that in, and then we add our carrots and broccoli in as well. And just kind of give it a quick stir. Turn it down because we don't want it to burn, because it burns fast. So we're going to turn it on low, medium heat. Then to that, to finish up that steamed veggies, I'm just going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of butter, some dried parsley to it, and give that a stir. Now this is going to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. I don't want it to be overly cooked. I want my vegetables to be nice and crispy, especially the cabbage. I don't want my cabbage to be soggy and all them things there. So in the next couple of minutes I'll come back and I'll meet you here, and the cabbage will be finished and ready to be served. Yes guys, so once again, here is the final touch to my steamed Jamaican vegetables. So remember, when you go to the Jamaican store for buy steamed vegetables with the rice and peas and oxtail, if it not look like this, not buy it. Once again, from my kitchen to yours.